A lot of people trying to film videos and do travel content and not sure which camera to use. I've been traveling for about 2 years and I have purchased these two. One is DJI's Pocket and one is 360 Go 3S. Today I'm gonna film the pros and cons of each camera. So I'm literally holding the two cameras side by side. You can see the 360's one have a wider lens and the color is more vibrant. And the Pocket 3 has more kind of filter, make your skin look smoother, but the color is not as vibrant as the 360. Which camera do you guys like better? So both of the camera has its pros and cons. For the DJI, I really like the stable because it doesn't make it shaky when you are walking or hiking. It's very suitable. I feel like this one is more for a little bit more professional. You want your video to be more like a vlog. Now even with the Pocket 3 you can film the vertical one, but since I purchased the 360, my budgets are limited, so I didn't really upgrade it. But I've been using this for like over a year. Camera, video camera.
That's so nice, so cute.
And for Insta360, I've been filming for a few months now. I really like its different perspective and angle, especially you can just magnet in front of your chest for point of views. If you are a more shy person like me, 360 is definitely like really good to just have a hidden camera and film more kind of authentic conversation. Very easy to carry. You can just magnet anything that's metals. I really like it, have more variety of camera perspective. For the size, the DJI Pocket is a little bit longer rather than the size of this smaller one. You can just carry in your pocket or anything, and this one you kind of have a little bit bigger day pack. I can still fit this inside my day pack, which is totally fine. I really like the camera can flip on the front and back views, too easy to capture the sceneries. But just have to be watch out that you maybe need a tripod. There's no place servers at the bottom for you to just place anywhere. And the battery life for 360 is very short. So exactly the battery life I'm gonna list in here. For me, my own recommendation is I will use the DJI Pocket as the main camera to film. If you want to do like a vlog, it's more professional. For the Insta360 Go 3S, I'll just use it as a side camera to get a more different perspective view, especially if you are going to action, do some more activities, don't have any hands to hold it. It's really good to magnet on your chest, maybe on your hat. Very easy to carry for more action views. And let me also show you some clips that I took of each cameras. Let's check it out. If you want even more further shot, like drone shot, but you're not professional like me and you just want to have a drone shot, I recommend it to purchase for DJI Neo. This is also very good for you just want to try it out but you are not very professional. The only downside is I connected with my phone, so sometimes I got scared to be disconnected. The only thing is that you cannot fly too far, otherwise you will lose its connection and you have to wait for a few seconds to reconnect. It really does kind of like a toy. Look at what the size is. This is my palm size, and really good for someone just want to try it out but don't want to fully invest in a drone yet, and I don't want to carry a remote. So this is really suitable just for me for now, and if I want to take my drone shot to the next level, I highly recommend that you can just to purchase a more professional drone with a remote control. Do you also own these cameras, 360s and DJI? What's your thoughts about which camera suits the best for you? I would love to know. Let me know in the comments.